Hello Hacktubers and welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna unbox and see what is inside this solar on light garden LED gadget. Let's start. Okay, on top we have this solar panel that have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 cells multiplied by 0.5 volts. That means that this solar panel is giving 5 volts, which is adjustable. Okay. Here we have one push button to select which color we want. And this LED garden gadget have 1, 2, 3, and from this side also 1, 2, 3 LEDs with lamps. Inside there is a RGB chip from both sides, and here it is the button to select which color we want to turn it on. We have red. This is random blinking color. Red, green, yellow, pink, blue, white. And turning off. Also to mention that when there is no sunlight, the LEDs will turn on automatically, which is nice. Let's turn off the studio lights. Nice colors, and with those lamps the light is spread very cool. Okay, turn it on, and now I'm gonna open inside just to see what kind of battery is there and what capacity. Let's turn it. And yes, of course, there is only one 18650 lithium rechargeable battery. Okay. Can we easily remove the LEDs? Yes. Look, just a simple aluminum plate, and on that plate are 3 LEDs, RGB LEDs. Solder it. And from this side. Yep. The battery is fixed with glue. Okay. I'm gonna weight this just to see is it good capacity, and there is a PCB board for controlling the LEDs. Okay. There. Let's see how it's weighed. 41 grams. That is okay, meaning that this is not a fake battery. Good. 41 grams the battery weighs, but I'm gonna open this isolation and just to see what it says on the battery, if there is any marks. Nope, nothing. Alright, let's fix the battery on the place. Okay. So this LED garden gadget, it's cool. It have a good capacity battery, bigger solar panel that will charge the battery, and from both sides we have 3 watts from this side and 3 watts from other side RGB LEDs. And now I'm gonna demonstrate one more time. Right. Just look the patterns from the LEDs. This is self-oscillating RGB LEDs, fast blinking, red, green, blue, yellow. This is violet, cyan blue, white, and turning off. This is good. That was all for today's video. Please give a like, share and subscribe to my channel. See ya! I forgot to test the light sensor that is coming from the solar panel. Now it's working. Where is the sun? The LEDs are not working. Turning off the lights. Yep, working fine.